Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you Credit Saint Honest Review. So, Credit Saint is a paid credit repair service. Now, in plain terms, credit repair is mostly about disputing items on your credit reports that are wrong, not incomplete, or even can't be verified. Now, when a dispute is filed, the credit bureau generally has like 30 days to investigate, and they're supposed to fix or delete info that turns out to be inaccurate. Now, the big reality check here, though, is that if something negative on the report is accurate or current, it usually can't be removed because someone paid a company. FTC guidance is pretty direct about that. So, in this case, that's why outcomes can feel super different depending on whether the report has real errors versus mostly legit negative remarks or marks. Now, for how Credit Saint is being talked about, well, on Trustpilot here, Credit Saint is sitting around the 4.2 with 738 reviews, labeled great. Now, the reading mix is some interesting here because it's not just a wall praise. Trustpilot shows around 81% 5 star and around 13% 1 star, which basically means a lot of people are happy, but there's also a noticeable chunk that's really not. Now, when reviews are positive, the vibe is open and often staff were knowledgeable, patient, explained everything clearly, and people mention feeling guided through the process. Now, on the flip side, harsh review commonly complain about money and expectations, and like being upset about upfront charges or feeling like they paid and didn't get what they thought they were paying for. Now, Trustpilot also shows credit Saint replies to a good portion of negative reviews, typically responds within a couple weeks, which matters if support and accountability is a big thing here. Now, on the BBB here, the business profile shows that credit Saint in the BBB is BBB accredited and has an A rating if you're going to check on it. So, or negative A negative rating. So yeah, at least around 115 complaints filed against the business. So BBB's page framed this as part of how ratings are calculated. So that doesn't um automatically mean bad, but it does mean there's enough volume of unhappy experience that it's worth reading complaints team carefully, especially anything about billing, refunds, and what results should realistically look like. Now, if you're going to judge this honestly, well, the first takeaway here is Credit Sync looks like a company where a lot of people generally like the support and hand holding. But the negative feedback that keeps popping up, usually about fees, refunds, or expectations around what credit repair can actually change. Now, because no service can lawfully wipe accurate negative info on demand. So, basically speaking, here, credit, or based on what we're seeing, Credit Sync here can only help you identify inaccuracy with your credit reports, so they won't be able to change actual negative or accurate readings or accurate reports about your account. But then again, you may want to manage your expectation here. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.